Welcome, it's Robin, your virtual aromatherapist, and today I'm following up on Key to Aromas number 8, which is stock blend. A stock blend is when you take some commonly used essential oils and you combine them into a single container. Young Living has created a blend called Joy, which already takes several aromas and puts them into a single bottle. And a teammate has created her own blend called Happy Dance, where she blends Joy with lime and peppermint. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take out the Joy and we're going to create our own Happy Dance blend. And in order to do that, I've come up with some of the essential oils that are actually in Joy. We have Palmarosa, bergamot, ylang ylang, and in keeping with the Happy Dance theme, we're going to add the citrus lime and the peppermint aroma also. The first thing I've done is labeled my bottle, very important step. And to keep it simple for this stock blend, I'm going to do equal parts of each of these aromas. But as you're blending it, if you feel that you're really drawn to one aroma or the other, you can always increase or decrease the essential oils in your stock blend. Instead of having to open up each of these bottles every time we want to diffuse our Happy Dance, we're going to put them into this single bottle so that we can use our 8 to 10 drops straight from our stock blend. So as you're going through, remember to count. Fortunately, this isn't equal parts, so let's just start with 5 drops each of these essential oils. The first one is Palmarosa. Again, if you get a little bit more in the stock blend, that's totally fine. It's not going to affect the therapeutic quality. It's only going to change aromatically how it affects our senses. Then I added some lime. I really enjoy that uplifting aroma from the citrus and the lime. And next I'm adding in some peppermint. And if you find that you have a combination you really enjoy and you decide to make a stock blend, you just multiply out whatever you found appeasing to yourself. And everyone's different, so what works for one person might not work for another. And I added some bergamot, and the last one is going to be ylang ylang. Quite honestly, I'm going to do a little bit less of the ylang ylang because it's a very powerful floral scent, and that's my personal preference to do a little bit less of that. I'm going to add on the orifice reducer. I'm going to give it just a gentle combination so they're all together. I've already added my water to the diffuser, and I'm going to add in as many drops as I feel appropriate for the size of the room and for my personal tolerance. So I'm putting it into a small room. I'm only going to start off with a few drops. I can always add more. It's really hard to take it out though after you put it in. And with that, I'm going to add the top to keep the water inside. One of the rookie mistakes I made when I first started using the diffuser was I left it off because I wanted to see what happens. Spoiler alert, the water goes out of the diffuser. So put that on there. And the room is going to have this Happy Dance aroma. If you'd like to share a picture of your Happy Dance or the recipe that you use, please feel free to share. Sharing inspiration from my essential oil collection to yours.